She can choose stuff in her purse. Her purse.
Okay.
It's
Inside the purse. Open the purse.
Why do I have to open my
Because they have
purse?
you on
Can
camera.
he show me the camera?
I can show them.
Show them.
Let me show me.
May 16th, 2025. Officers responded to a retail location after loss prevention spotted a woman placing merchandise into her purse without paying. The real issue here is not whether she stole anything. It is whether the search that followed held up under the Fourth Amendment.
Is she still in the store?
Yes, she's right here. Police are here.
She has stuff inside the purse.
Mm-hmm.
You want to wait to see if she paid for it?
Do you want us to wait and see if the lady pays for her stuff or no?
You have it on camera now.
Technically, we have to wait until she crosses the doors.
Oh, Dennis is. Hi, I'm sorry. I'm Ron. I'm coming back. I work in this department, but I was looking for Dennis. He's not.
And he's in the store and we're looking for a shopping right now.
Oh, okay. How you doing, officer?
Good, are you?
Good, thank you. All right.
That's more than 15 items. There's no way they scan everything together.
Is both of them? Both, right?
Can you start looking through self-checkout to see if they scan everything?
Oh, 228, yeah, but it's going to be two
they have
females
to do that
shoplifting.
They are leaving self-checkout.
They are about to exit the store.
Pharmacy, the one,
Through the pharmacy?
yeah, they're coming to the side.
Okay.
Do you want me to make my way
They're
out the
about
door?
to leave through the pharmacy entrance.
Huh?
Copy.
No.
Wait to see if they're going through. That's it. They're coming. Just go outside. Let's go outside. They're going to see if they're going to stop to pay or not. They're coming this way. One of them have a like a light blue. Come this way. There's a kid that way doesn't. They have a kid. Right there. Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Both of you, come over here. Both of you.
Come over there for what?
We'll explain to you in a minute.
What are
Let's
we
go over
coming
there.
for?
Let's go over there.
She got the receipt for everything
That's
she
like I
paid
said.
for.
That's fine.
Is it both of them?
Yeah,
Both
both of
cards.
them.
This is crazy. Oh, you got to tell you our policy.
What's being recorded? What am I saying? She got the receipt.
That's okay. They want,
What am I going in there for though?
they want to talk to you right now. You want to do it in public or you want to do it in private?
So why would y'all stop me? He didn't say me. He said it was not me. He said the green pen.
You said what?
Excuse me.
Not empty. There's infinite barrel, right?
You can't tell me that I did anything.
They have it on camera.
Listen. Let's figure it out.
Oh, this motherfucker.
I understand you'll be upset. I
My
was
receipt right here.
That's okay, city. Just wait until they finish. Maybe if it's nothing, you guys can go, okay?
No, I'm gonna take my stuff. I got my kids. I don't have to be here for me.
Let me find out who this belongs to. Let me go.
Why do I have to open my?
Hold on a second.
Yeah, you got your receipt for everything.
The thing on the car is being paid off.
We can,
What about this stuff right there?
you can give us a receipt, we can check.
The juice, everything. Thank you. I'm no state law.
You don't want to check?
We're just getting her stuff from the
You say I took another, so I can sue you.
Like to look for the accused. They may not have any service.
So they have it on camera, sir?
What was their last and any contact with
We have the film about the pharmacy entrance inside the store. Okay, so we need some kind of communication. What's going on with her?
She can choose stuff in her purse. The purse.
Okay.
Open the payroll letter.
Inside the purse, open the purse.
Why do I have to open my
Because they
purse?
have you on
Can he
camera.
show me the camera?
They can show them.
Show
Okay,
them.
let me, show me.
Right there. Or was it? No, it wasn't.
I'm gonna say the one is with them.
It was after this.
What's up with the purse?
You just told me to come here.
Yeah, I know, but be careful with the lady.
That's where
right
it started. That's
Grab
payroll.
the purse, I'll leave your holder in the car outside.
Right in her
Grab
purse.
your purse, I can come in.
Okay.
Goes in that
Just
aisle.
grab the purse, I can take this out.
She
I
can
don't
see
want
us.
it in here. So
You
I'll
want
put
to
it to the
grab
side of
this?
the door.
Okay.
Show me the purse.
Right there. Stealing apparel in her purse.
Okay, so we're gonna go through it.
All right, can you give me my phone at the bottom, please?
You guys want to complain action?
Yep.
Can you give me my
Can
phone
you get a
at the
receipt
bottom?
for it?
As soon as I get the stuff,
Okay.
I can get a receipt.
Can you give me my phone at the bottom?
Yes, sweetie, hold
That's
on
the
a
last
second,
thing
right?
we
What's
worried
the
about is the
time?
phone right now. It ain't going nowhere. It's on camera. Right? You. No, I'm sorry. All right. So we do want complaint action, right? Yep. All right. Go ahead. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
This is hers. She brought this with her. Okay.
At around the 5-minute mark, the officer told the subject to open her purse and gave one reason: because we have you on camera. Under Florida versus Bostic, a consent search is only valid if a reasonable person would have felt free to refuse. Showing surveillance footage before asking for consent raises a direct question. Did that evidence make refusal feel like a real option, or like something already foreclosed? Still, the officer did not physically block her, did not raise his voice, and offered a private location for the encounter. Courts weigh the totality of circumstances, not a single phrase. What happens next will determine whether that distinction matters.
Hold you one on the. Good.
Excuse me.
724, I'm clear now. You want to pick that up for you?
No, I got it.
Do you have anything in your bra, waistband, or nothing at all?
I don't
I
want
got
to
you.
expose
You got my phone?
Yeah, I got
but
your
have
phone.
I
to
don't got nothing. I'm no bra, no drawers, no nothing on. Yeah.
take that away.
Marshall, that's what you want
Okay.
to
I
okay.
know, but I have to check too. Okay. Love you, person.
I'm about to take it off, but I
You
want
can't take it off. It's nothing under here.
Well, I have to check
It's I'm bald as hell.
Oh, we
I
gotta
just
check
told
it.
you
We just
that.
gotta check it.
It's so embarrassing that you don't.
At least
put it
we're
on.
in here doing it.
Yeah, but like, can you put it back on at least?
Yeah, after I check, sweetie, I'll tell you that.
All
right.
Alright.
You want to transport her to Cool
Doesn't
One,
matter.
and I get the receipt and stuff? Thank you.
Did she pay for the water?
Yeah, she did. It's
The other girl, I think she left.
Okay,
So
but where's she at right now? Because you don't want to leave.
she was saying she's leaving, so
She leaving.
I let her go. She wasn't accused, so she can return and get it if she wants it that bad. I mean,
Right this way.
oh, he's getting it perfect.
Do you have any empty carts?
Oh, she's working. She's working. She's not cutting.
Picture of her face, you want?
Yeah,
That's when you're
and
probably
like,
gonna get is when she was in here.
Yeah.
well, not her face, just her in the aisle, like
Oh, like
putting
yeah.
something in it. Yeah.
This one? Sign what you- putting it in the purse.
You able to burn a copy of this for me, and I'll get it tomorrow, maybe?
Yeah, that's fine. You want me to just leave the entire file just together for you?
Yeah, just put it together and just leave it here. I'll come in early in the morning, so I'll probably come through like 7, 8 o'clock. I'll get it and bring it to you tomorrow.
Okay. She's the one that spotted it.
Okay. What's your name?
You.
Angelina.
Angelina. A-N-G.
E-L-I-N-A.
Last name?
Yes.
And you spotted it on camera or in person? All right. You guys never approached him or anything until
At the door. We tried, and then you guys got to it first.
okay. Okay, at the door.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
And then we walked up. Okay, perfect. Got it. All right. I give you the extra right
Yeah,
now.
please.
4. What's the case number?
Are you ready?
404-263-263.
263. Copy. Thank you. Where's my name? You guys want to trespass?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what's your name? I'll say you want it, or you want me to just say Angelina?
Use
don't
both.
matter.
'Cause
Indeed. All right, I'll stop by in the morning, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Thank you. Clearing one off camera.
That's what we call booking. And
Eight 7-5, you need 60s there? How far, sir? 82.
Everything's here.
65, Victor, Mike Romeo, and Zulu Fox. Zulu Fox, Victor,
You're right.
Romeo, Fox.
Let me see. Hold on a second.
Alright, I copy.
This is this one right here.
Oh,
No, turn off with it. You want the left or the right?
Just send them 2 seconds for now, working at times.
This one?
copy, we got them. I got the first, my partner got the second.
I'm going to turn it to the seat.
There it is. 5-8, she's going to stay put inside the vehicle. Doors open. She's alert. She's going to stand by and give us a ride. She makes vehicles.
Copy, Allstate County. I need that for side agenda, Delta 6 5.
That's the Delta 6-5, Victor, Mike. Whiskey.
3347.
Pause it.
She's out of the vehicle.
Copy. 407.
Okay, good. Verify the camera forward with the females, please.
407 West Park Avenue, DMV.
Start with the threshold crossing. Most states codify the shopkeeper's privilege as a statutory affirmative defense, and the standard is the same: a merchant may briefly detain a person only after the merchandise exits the store's control. Loss prevention waited until the subjects crossed the pharmacy exit. That timing is the legal foundation separating lawful detention from false imprisonment. On the consent issue, Florida versus Bostic puts the question squarely on the reasonable person standard. The subject asked why. The officer answered by citing camera evidence, not by asking for permission. That framing, even without physical coercion, is exactly the fact pattern defense attorneys bring to suppression hearings. The counterargument is real multiple officers were present. Footage had just been shown, and refusal in that context carries consequences most people do not feel equipped to test. Whether a court would suppress the purse contents depends on the totality of the encounter, and this one sits close enough to the line that it should not be assumed clean. On the clothing search, a search incident to lawful arrest permits officers to search the person for weapons and evidence related to the offense. The bra area check was conducted in a private location, which is the right call. The open question is who conducted it and under what agency policy, because cross-gender search rules vary by jurisdiction. On the in-store photograph after arrest, the evidentiary purpose is clear. Whether agency policy authorized it on store premises before booking should be verified before this footage goes public. The officer confirmed the threshold crossing before initiating contact and offered a private setting for the search. The single point of exposure is that one phrase at the consent moment. The subject's initial demand to see the footage was legally appropriate. Once it confirmed the account, continuing to deny while handing over the purse did not help her legal position. Loss prevention waited for the threshold crossing and stood back when officers arrived. The one open question is whether any contact was made before officers got there. First, for law enforcement saying, "Because we have you on camera," when asking to search, frames the encounter as compelled. Saying, "Would you be willing to open your purse?" does not. The outcome is the same. The legal exposure is not. Second, for loss prevention waiting for the threshold crossing is the legal line between a valid detention and a civil liability claim. The protocol exists to override the impulse to move early. Third, for the public being shown evidence before a consent request changes the psychological dynamic, but not your legal right to refuse. Knowing that before the moment arrives is more useful than asserting it after. Got a stop or a search you think deserves this kind of scrutiny? Drop it in the comments. Rights only hold up when someone is willing to examine them. And that is what this series is for. Thanks for watching.